This one is going to be hard. You know, I've talked a lot about cancer and addiction and overcoming problems, but I need to be honest with you all. There's a reason that I fly FPV. I'm so ashamed. That reason is that I can put the goggles on and I can hide my ugly face from the world. And I know that there's a lot of you out there that are just like me, that all you want to do is cover your face. You just want to cover your face. That's all you want to do. And really, quite honestly, you should. You should totally cover your face because you're all just as ugly as I am. I hate to break it to you. It is really the honest truth, the God's honest truth, one might say. And even though we get to be free for 2 minutes at a time and hide our faces from the world, it has to end. I fly FPV because I can hide my face. And I would really appreciate it if you would hide your face too. Because, quite frankly, as ugly as I am, you're really ugly. And I'm just tired of looking at you. Anyways, goodbye.